ugly brown wallpaper. Wow.
That was a really quick look. If you're like down, wham.
So I guess this is the dining room area, right? Weirdo big post. Living room. I love the windows. And we get all the curtains. This is the front porch. And this is the little nook area. Basement door. Stairs. I love the light fixtures. Is this going to be the craft room? Light fixture. So pretty. There's this little deck.
Oh, I think it's gonna be.
I'm not going to open it. Just whew, hot. And then this is going to be our bedroom. Love the light fixture. Isn't it pretty? Oh, the wallpaper's coming off the wall. And I thought there was black in the wallpaper, but that's okay. Closet. Oh, it's a little deeper than I was expecting too. Uh-oh. There we go. Other closet. Why does the carpet look dingy on the baseboard? This is the bathroom. Oh, are we gonna paint this one too, babe?
Maybe.
Maybe like a light yellow or something. Pretty. And maybe change the fixtures eventually. You don't have to go up to the attic if you don't want to. I left us another rug.
It's actually surprisingly not that hot up here.
I just walked through a spider web.
Although I didn't really get up as high as you.
Hi, Emmy. This building was built in 1917 after the original farmhouse burned down. He hates it when I narrate things. Back down the stairs. Back down the stairs. He's hot. The basement. I didn't turn the light on, babe. This is the basement. That's a big stone. Shelves. Some block windows. whatever this is, work table.